Hey, it's Rob from Skid Steer Genius. Did you know that Skid Steer Genius now offers a CAN kit for your Buffalo Turbine blower? This enables you to plug directly into the 7-pin controls of your Bobcat and operate the motor controller on your Buffalo so that you can turn the chute left or right. And it's all plug and play. Look at this. This is our CAN 20, brand new. This will go in line down on the outside of your boom, or you can buy an additional harness that'll extend it so that this is actually inside the Buffalo. It's up to you. We have two different versions of this. This is one of the extension harnesses that we offer. This is our dual input motor controller. And I'm just gonna plug all this in now and just show you on my bench just how simple this is. So this is our emulator. It's also called a crosscat. We use these for other applications, but it emulates the 7-pin output of your machine, okay? So this enables me to take the Bobcat CAN codes and turn them into something that's actually useful for what we're trying to do. This is our extension harness, okay? We plug this into our motor controller, and if you look, okay, I can operate, see I'm operating two individual 12-volt channels. I plug this into our motor controller, and this takes those two channels and turns it into two reversing channels. So now if I plug this into my motor and I want to operate it, that's one direction. And that's the second direction. So that enables me to rotate my chute. This also works on the old-fashioned snowblowers. However, depending on which one you have, you may want to use our flip-flop box because it has two sets of channels. This only has one output channel. So, but some snowblowers, they actually only offer the rotating chute, and it's a manual angle, so this would also work for that application. But this is super handy for people because it's plug and play, and it's super easy to use, and everything you need to make this operate comes in the kit. And you can find it at skidsteergenius.com.